Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro Yen did make a pretty decent bounce at this low right here. This is at least the third time it's bounced from that area. Now the trend is technically up on the higher time frames, like the weekly and the daily is technically flowed down, but the trend is definitely up based on structure on the higher time frames. So for me, if I see a breaker structure, which a breaker structure would be right here, or if I see a very significant higher low like this, then I definitely would take it as a long because the higher time frame trends are up, and because the higher time frame trends are up, there's always a chance that this keeps on going up. So if you get that breaker structure, take it as a long, higher low, take it as a long. Otherwise, if it does, make like a lower high and a very impulsive move down, maybe continue to look for shorts if you don't get the breaker structure or potentially the higher low telling you that maybe it really has turned back up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.